Hi, I'm Saddam Hussain here. Welcome back to CBSE Board Economics. Today, we're discussing balance of payments, supply curve for foreign exchange. In the last class, we discussed where does the supply of foreign exchange come from? Where do we get it from? The foreign exchange, where do we get it? Dollars. We discussed supply of foreign exchange comes in our country when we export goods to other countries. Number two, when foreign tourists come to India, they bring foreign exchange. Number three, when the foreign students come to India, they bring foreign exchange. Number four, when foreign multinationals come to India, when they invest in our physical and financial assets, they bring foreign exchange. Number five, factor incomes from abroad. Many Indians go and work abroad, they bring foreign exchange. And the last one, number six, transfer payments, or we call them as remittances from abroad, we get a lot of foreign exchange. So we discussed it. Now today, let's see the relationship between the foreign exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange. Last year in microeconomics, you learned it. There is a direct relationship between the price of a commodity and supply of the commodity. Same applies here. All supply curves are rising upwards. Demand curves are sloping downwards. Supply curves are rising upwards. And what exactly is the relationship between foreign exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange? Don't forget, remember, there is a direct relationship between foreign exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange. That is, if the exchange rate is high, the supply will be high. If the exchange rate is low, the supply of foreign exchange will be low. We'll be discussing why it is so. Why does the supply of foreign exchange goes up when the foreign exchange rate is high? Why does it come down when the foreign exchange is low? Let's take one simple example to understand the illustration. So let's see the foreign exchange rate in India of dollars has gone up from rupees 70 to rupees 100. That means we have to pay 100 rupees to purchase a dollar. 100 rupees. That's hell of a lot. That means their currency has appreciated and our currency has depreciated. If the foreign exchange rate goes up, dollar has appreciated and the rupee has depreciated. That means we have to pay them more rupees to obtain dollars. So now see the analogy here. When the foreign exchange rate is high, their currency has appreciated, so it will be very much beneficial for foreign countries. So they get, for the same commodity, they get more rupees now. So what happens to, they want to export more to our country, so we have to pay them. Then that means they want to export, so when we buy foreign goods from abroad, we have to pay them more. So normally what happens to supply of foreign exchange? Now we'll understand it with the help of this. If the foreign exchange rate is OP, the supply of foreign exchange is OQ. If the price of foreign exchange has gone up from OP to OP1, you can see it here. There is a direct relationship between foreign exchange rate, that is rupees in terms of dollars, and supply of foreign exchange. If the exchange rate is high from OP to OP1, the supply has gone up from OQ to OQ1. When the exchange rate has come down from OP to OP2, the supply of foreign exchange has come down. Why it is happening? When the exchange rate goes up, I told you just now, that means their currency has appreciated, our currency has depreciated. That means our goods look cheaper to them. So what happens to our exports? They'll go up. They prefer to buy goods from India, so obviously they pay dollars, so the supply of dollars in India will go up. Our exports will go up. So we get more exchange. Number two, when their currency appreciates, that means the dollar price goes up, our exports will go up. Number 2, foreign tourists come to India. When they come, obviously they bring more foreign exchange, supply of foreign exchange in the country will go up. Number 3, we get factor payments from abroad, supply of foreign exchange will go up. Number 4, we get remittances or transfer payments from abroad, gifts from other countries, so foreign exchange will go up. Number 5, foreigners, multinationals, companies come to India, they invest our physical and financial assets, the supply of foreign exchange inside the country will go up. Now the other way around, if the foreign exchange rate comes down, the supply of foreign exchange rate also coming down. There is a direct relationship between foreign exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange. When it goes up, supply will go up. When the foreign exchange rate comes down, supply will also comes down. Why it is happening? When the price comes down, supply will also come down of foreign exchange. Imagine the dollar price has come down from rupees 70 to rupees 10. That means our currency has appreciated and their currency has depreciated. For foreigners, our goods look pretty expensive. So what happens to exports? They'll come down. When our exports come down, so obviously there will be less foreign exchange inside the country. Foreign tourists don't come to India because they have to pay more dollars. Foreign students don't come to India because they have to pay more dollars. And factor incomes from abroad won't come. And transfer payments or remittances, we told you, won't come. So the last one is, they don't prefer to invest in our country in physical and financial assets, so the foreign exchange will come down. So I repeat once again, follow it carefully. There is a direct relationship between foreign exchange rate and supply of foreign exchange. That is, if the foreign exchange rate goes up, the supply will go up. If the foreign exchange rate comes down, the supply will come down. Direct relationship. So the foreign exchange, that's why the supply of foreign exchange is rising upwards. If the foreign exchange rate goes up, supply will go up. If the foreign exchange comes down, supply will come down. Why it happens? I told you, repeat once again. If the foreign exchange rate goes up, that means our goods look cheaper to them, our exports will go up. More foreign students will come, more foreign tourists will come, multinational companies invest in our physical and financial assets, we get more factor payments abroad, we get more remittances, hence the supply of foreign exchange will go up. If the foreign exchange rate comes down, our goods simply look pretty expensive for them, so our exports will come down, so supply of foreign exchange will come down. Foreign tourists don't come, foreign students don't come, they don't come for medical treatment because it will be pretty expensive, and they don't invest in our country, they don't give us transfer payments, they don't pay us factor payments, hence the supply of foreign exchange will come down. So simply remember, there is an inverse relationship between the price of foreign exchange and the demand for foreign exchange, and the demand for foreign exchange curve is downward sloping. There is a direct relationship between price of foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange, hence the supply of foreign exchange is rising upwards. That's all we have time for today. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussain. All the best for your exams. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Goodbye.